up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another wig video for you guys, and the wig that I'll be working on today is from WigOnly. This is the packaging that the wig came in, and yes, I know my braids are looking crusty. Y'all don't play with me. I got hair on my head. Do not play. Like, do not be coming for me in my hair, because your girl got hair, okay? I got hair. Don't play with me. The wig that I'll be working on today is their Kim K inspired unit. This is the wig here. This is what the wig looks like. Really soft and nice. Okay, you guys, so this is the wig after I went ahead and cut off all that extra lace. As you guys can see, the inside does come with the combs on the inside, and also an adjustable strap so you can adjust your unit to how secure you want it on your head. Okay, so now that my wig cap is on, I'm just going to take my foundation powder and I'm just going to dab some of this over that cap just to darken it a bit, just because this cap is like really bright. Not bright, but like light. It's like way too light, and I don't want it to look weird under the wig itself. And at the moment, these are the only wig caps that I have. I have some like wig nets, but I don't like using those, so I'm just gonna darken this myself and see how it fits. See what I'm talking about? Like, because the cap is so white right there, you can actually see where it ends. But that's no problem. I'm actually just gonna add some more powder there when I'm done and fix this. Okay. So first thing first, before I do any kind of plucking or adjusting to it, I'm just gonna make sure that the wig is secured onto my head. So what I'm gonna use to secure my wig is the Got2b Blasting Free Spray, and I'm just gonna spray this around the perimeter of my forehead. I'm just gonna grab my wig and lay it down into that spray. Okay guys, so now that the unit is secured onto my head, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make this parting space a bit longer. Take my rat tail comb and part it going back. Before I actually start plucking, I'm just going to take my mousse and spray it like just... Ooh. Now that the mousse is on there, I'm just going to take my tweezers and I'm just going to pluck some hair out. After I spray the mousse, just because I really want to flatten it, I'm going to take my blow dryer on hot and I'm just going to pass it wherever I applied the mousse. So now to lighten that parting space, I'm gonna go back in with my MAC pressed powder, and I'm just gonna apply this right in there. And as far as like baby hairs and stuff, I don't want any on this unit. So as you guys can see, the parting space there looks pretty natural. I'm just gonna honestly leave it just as it is. I don't want like the crazy baby hairs. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in with my flat iron and just, you know, pull this hair out. Okay, you guys, so this is the hair once I'm done with it. The hair is very sleek, very nice. This hair is from WigOnly. This is their Kim K inspired lace unit. I'm really loving this unit. The only thing I wish that was a bit different. I'm not too sure what density this hair is, but I just wish that the hair in the front itself had like a lot more hair on it. Like the hair in the front, like right here, is extremely thin. I mean, the hair is beautiful and all. I just wish that the density in the front here was a lot thicker. The hair is absolutely beautiful. It's really soft and sleek and nice, like, and it flows. The hair flows nicely. It has a nice little bounce to it. Overall, I'm really in love with the cut, I would say, on the unit itself. I love how they cut the unit. Like I said, my only issue with the hair is the density of it. Also, what I really love about this unit is that it came pre-plucked. If you're somebody that absolutely knows nothing about wigs and plucking and all that stuff, customization, I highly suggest ordering a pre-plucked unit just because it's a lot easier for you. So make sure to check out the description bar down below if you want all the details and specs on this hair, the length, color, cap size, all that good stuff. And that's pretty much about it on this hair video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. How are you guys feeling this wig? Are you guys here for it or no? No, why did I say no like that? Are you guys here for it or nah? Because y'all know. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you have not subscribed already so you will not miss any of my uploads. And I'm gonna catch you dolls in my next one. Bye.